Every day you're being watched, not by people, but by algorithms. The scary truth? Artificial intelligence already controls most of your decisions, and you probably haven't even noticed. From the videos you watch, to the food you order, to who you fall in love with, AI is pulling invisible strings behind it all. This isn't the future, it's happening right now, and in this video, I'll show you exactly how AI is silently shaping your life and how you can take that power back. Oh, and by the way, every single AI tool I mentioned today is linked below. You can test them for yourself. Most are free trials through my affiliate links. Because if AI is going to control your life, you might as well learn how to profit from it. Let's begin. Number 1. AI decides what you see. You open YouTube or TikTok, and within seconds, AI knows exactly what you'll watch next. It tracks your pauses, your rewinds, your likes, your boredom. It doesn't care about truth. It cares about retention. The more time you stay, the more money it makes. Every color, sound, and thumbnail you see is chosen by algorithms trained on billions of human reactions. You don't pick your interests, the AI feeds them to you. Want proof? Try tools like ChatGPT or Notion AI to analyze your own habits. You'll see how predictable humans really are. Links below if you want to see how deep the data goes. Number 2, AI knows what you'll buy before you do. Companies like Amazon, Netflix, and Google have AI systems that predict your next purchase before you even search for it. They know when you're stressed, bored, or tired, and that's when you buy. The algorithm even changes prices based on your behavior. This is called dynamic personalization, the science of digital manipulation. And it's not theory, it's happening right now on every major platform. Here's the twist. You can use this same tech for yourself. If you run an online store or YouTube channel, use tools like Copy.ai and Durable to predict what your audience wants and deliver it before they even ask. Those affiliate links are below. Use them for good, not control. Number 3, AI is watching you everywhere. Every camera, every mic, every search, data, facial recognition. The AI can now identify you from a reflection in glass. Speech recognition can pick up stress or emotion from your tone. AI systems are already mapping how people move through cities, what ads they see, and how they react. Sounds like a sci-fi thriller, right? But it's just marketing, weaponized. The difference is you don't get paid for your data. They do, unless you flip the system. Tools like Make.com and Notion AI let you build your own automation systems, so you collect data, not corporations. And when you do, you can automate your business like the big players. Number 4, AI is controlling the news. You see, in the old days, journalists chose the headlines. Now, algorithms do. AI determines what stories you see based on emotion, fear, outrage, hope. That's why every feed looks different. You're not seeing the news, you're seeing your news tailored for maximum engagement. This echo chamber keeps people addicted, divided, and predictable. But here's the paradox. AI can also free you from bias. Use Perplexity AI or ChatGPT to fact-check stories, summarize sources, and read across multiple viewpoints. Don't let the algorithm decide what's real for you. Number 5, AI can read your mind, sort of. In 2023, scientists trained an AI to recreate images people were thinking about, just from brain scans. By 2030, AIs could predict emotions, intentions, and even dreams. Advertisers will use this tech to understand what people want before they say it. Governments will use it to detect threats before they happen. It sounds impossible until you realize your phone already tracks your heart rate, movement, and microfacial expressions. The border between thought and technology is disappearing. Number 6, AI is choosing who you date. Dating apps use machine learning to match you with people who keep you on the app longest, not necessarily the ones you'll love. AI has turned romance into retention metrics. The more you swipe, the more data it learns. Your type? It's not personality, it's pattern recognition. And here's the scary part. Future dating AIs like Replica and Corinne.ai are already replacing real relationships with synthetic ones. People are falling in love with code. Number 7. AI controls financial markets. Over 70% of stock trades today are executed by AI bots. They react in milliseconds to news, tweets, or even rumors. A single algorithmic error can wipe billions off the market. And yet, humans are still trusting these systems with the global economy. The opportunity? Learn to use AI investing assistants like ChatGPT Advanced Data Analysis, Alpaca AI, or Notion dashboards to track trends before the mainstream does. If you can't beat the bots, learn to work with them. Affiliate links below if you want to try some of these tracking tools yourself. Number 8, AI is designing reality. Almost every ad, influencer photo, or AI-generated face you see online could be fake, and you wouldn't know. Generative AI models like Midjourney, Runway, and Pika Labs are producing hyper-realistic videos of people who don't exist. Entire brands are using fake AI influencers that never age, never sleep, and never complain. It's not the internet anymore. It's a simulation. The question isn't what's real, it's who controls the fake. Number 9. AI governments are coming. Sounds crazy, but Singapore, Estonia, and China are already testing AI-driven governance systems that track citizen data and suggest policy. By 2030, it's possible that AIs will help governments make budget decisions, detect fraud, or even predict unrest. Whether that's utopia or dystopia depends on who programs the system. Number 10. AI isn't coming. It's here. The scariest part isn't that AI might one day control us, it's that it already does. And we said yes. Every click, every like, every voice command is another vote in favor of a smarter system. And the smarter it gets, the less control we have. Unless we flip the script, learn the tools, build your own automations, profit with AI instead of being used by it. All the tools I mentioned, from ChatGPT to Make.com to Notion, are linked below with free trials through my affiliate links. And if you want to turn all this tech into your own income, grab my free guide, 10 AI Tools That Make Money. The machines aren't coming, they're already here. And the question isn't if they'll win, it's who they'll work for.